Hey there, YouTube. Another Taurus High Point production coming at you. Was out milling around the other day, goofing off like I normally do. Weather was kind of bad. There were gentlemen complaining about RC helicopters, keeping them in the air. How, it's impossible to do. He's telling me he's flying these little micros and this, that, and the other, and which is alright. Micros are cool. I might have a few of them. But I asked him about wind, if it was a windy day, if there was a light breeze or anything going on with these micros that, even an air conditioning vent, a fan, whether it be a ceiling fan or even just a floor model fan or a box fan in a window, pulling in some cool air, it could all affect it. He kind of looked at me, cocked his head, and I'm like, well, that, the thing is, has it been trimmed, either hard trimmed or just trimmed on the remote to keep it stable in the air? And didn't want any numbering. Didn't want any. Brought his head back up and said, boy, what would you know about it? Okay. Anyone kind of want to tell me what I might possibly know about it? The two big boys, V913 to V912, both are WL toys. The little four-blade in front of it's a quadcopter, or drone as they like to call it. It's an H107. Behind it is a V977. Behind the V977 with the green blades, which is the V977, it has green blades. Behind it is an SO. It's a Cyma 800G. It's a cool coaxial dual. Coaxial. 4-channel. And sitting in front of it in the green is a V911. Coming back to the V911 and working our way, or V977, and working our way to the left, the orange and blue was an E-Shine 119. I just got that today. Haven't had it up. Beside it is a V911S, which is also a 4-channel. To the left of it is another V9 product, WL Toys V955. To the left of it, the black, white, and red canopy is Zeta 9958. It's different in design because it has the fly bar underneath the dual main rotor blades. Plus it is what they call a screw type servo versus the hook and loop types as the V911s. On the end is a V911 Pro. So red, white, and blue. The blue and white is a V911. Behind the V911 in blue is a black, orange, and yellow V911. In front of it is a red, white, black V911. Now these are all nice. Oh, there's the very first one that started it all off in the back there. That big boy is an SO32G. It's one of Cyma's first run at the helicopter, maybe. It's a 3-channel. Most everything mentioned except for the green blade V977. That's a 6-channel. It flies 3D. It'll fly in any direction. Now, what would I know about it? Not much at all, I guess. And with that, I said, you, sir, are absolutely correct, and you need to have a nice day. And I left it alone at that. I came home here, I did some flying here, and then my e-shine showed up, which is this orange and blue gentleman. There's my e-shine. To answer the question, do you fly them? One canopy I saved. Well, the only reason I saved it because it's not all cracked or dinged, and I can use a little marker or something and refill this in, or maybe even use some of that Krylon plastic paint, maybe paint it a whole different color. Who knows? But as long as they're not beat up or cracked, well, I keep them and repurpose them. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know anything at all. Most of what I know probably fits into a thimble. There's another cat out there by the name of Wild Man Jaws. You need to check him out. He walks you through this hard trim and all this trim off the remote and all that stuff. He's done a few of mine. Working with him, I've learned to do my own. I've done the little blue one on the end there. Now it's got a little forward flight to it, but I like it that way. That's me. But most every one of these, he's hard trimmed. The black and orange one in the back there, the V911, I've actually sat there and watched him build. We were supposed to do it together, but he's one of those that if he knows what he's doing, he's just going to take off with it and be done. You know, I'm grateful I got it. I enjoyed the time we spent together. We fly these things sometimes together. Outside today, though, it's a little windy. Even for the big boys over here, it's a little too much chop on that wind today outside. But that's me. Most everything here has been premiered, with the exception of the 4-channel coaxial. I don't remember seeing that one there. But they've all been on Wild Man Jaws' channel and the RC Saylors. They've both been. Wild Man Jaws is more of a technological kind of hands-on. Let me show you how to lubricate, keep them fixed, keep them flying. While the RC Saylors is more of like a review style. They put them in the air and you see all that they can do. Coupling those two together, you could really learn a lot here. Thanks a lot, YouTube. Taurus High Point checking out of this mess. Remember, always remember, you choose, therefore you are responsible.